When dealing with place value and expanded form, we have gone over in class and put on anchor charts the fact that we are dealing in periods, which would be the ones, the tens, the hundreds in a single period, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s in the next one, and then millions. So in order to put this one in here, we had 9 ones, 7 tens, 6 hundreds, 6 thousands, 5 10,000s, 4 100,000s. We are dealing with digits in this situation. And then we took it a step further to put it into an expanded form, whereas we took each place value and put zeros on the end. Simply working down our number. As simple as this. And then from what we did earlier, we simply put it out into expanded form. So that would be 400,000 plus 50,000 plus 6,000. It's just simply lining them out. This is what we are calling expanded form. 670 plus 9. Then we've also taught the word form. So 400 56,000. That would be our thousands period. Then we do a comma just like we do in the number. 600 70 9. And in this case, we have to point out that the 400 doesn't stand alone. The 400 is a part of this thousands group, so we have to connect these over to the 1,000, and then 56 also connects to the 1,000. That's the way we have to write it up top there with all of our pluses and such. And this is our place value with expanded and word form.